Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we will check the levels of Bank Nifty and Nifty. This is a day frame, one day time frame of Bank Nifty. As we can see from last 1 week we are discussing about the same thing. It had a break here. Bank Nifty had a break and it is giving just a retracement for downfall, and you can see Bank Nifty is weak than Nifty. Nifty is somewhat stronger than Bank Nifty. Here you can see this is Nifty day chart, and in Nifty there is a supporting level at this level, and it given the retracement from this level. Okay, from this level, but the Bank Nifty after the levels also it is not able to give the good bullish moves here. See, this is support area for the Bank Nifty. After the support it is not given the good move for bullish, but Nifty given the almost near to high previous high. Okay, on this analysis we can see Nifty is stronger than Bank Nifty. Here we have to observe one thing: Nifty at the range of previous high, very near to previous high. Okay, and Bank Nifty in the range of not even crossed the middle level. Okay, if we not even crossed the 50% of levels. Here you can see I had drawn a trend line. Let me clear this. I had drawn a trend line by connecting a support by connecting these areas last week, and you can see I am thinking like just a retracement for downfall. Okay, here you can see in the Nifty what happened. It almost reached the level of previous high. Okay, I am expecting in this week it can go upside up to these levels. It can give the sideways market, or else it can give the downfall for after touching this level. It can give the downfall. Okay, if Nifty is giving the downfall, the Bank Nifty we can expect more downfall here, because already it had given the trend line break. Okay, and it is consolidating inside this range. Okay, if it is had a break these levels, we can expect a good move downfall, but as of now we are at the bullish move, because Bank Nifty is not yet reached this complete levels. Okay, it can reach in this week. We can expect a target levels, means previous high levels. I had drawn the trend line. You can see this line. We can expect to touch this level in this week, and it can retrace from here, or else it can consolidate. It can hold up to these levels. Okay, and we can expect a good break for bullish move. Now if you come to 15-minute chart, this is a complete view for the week, and you can see if you comes to 15-minute chart of Nifty, okay, in the on Friday analysis we had discussed about this trend line. If you draw the trend line like this, it is moving inside the range. Okay, we already discussed about this. If market opens inside this range, we can expect we have to wait for the break. The same trend line we had drawn the yesterday's Friday session, and we had a discussion about this. If market is open inside this, wait for the break price action, and we can expect a good moves after the break. Okay, and if you are intraday trader, you can go to 1 minute time frame and you can check for the price action. As per the price action trade, you can took up the trade if you got a perfect trade. For tomorrow we have a level. So see, if it is breaks this level around 11257 11250, 3. This is a resistance zone for this, and you can see these trend line act as a support area, and we can expect if market is open below this trend line, we will look for sell side. If market is open below this trend line, we can look for sell side. If market is open above this line, we can go with buying side. Or else I am expecting if market is open flat, it can give the retracement from here to upside momentum. Okay, by this graph we have to observe one thing. See here at this level, this is a resistance zone and this is a support zone. Okay, see buyers are pushing the market to upside every time. Okay, by this we have to understand this, it is in uptrend. Okay, but here at this level, at the same level, there is a resistance zone. Okay, this is a resistance zone and sellers are activated here, but not like not more than buyers. Here you can see at this one level there are buyers here, sorry, sellers, but buyers are very interested, buyers are increasing at these levels. Okay, let me clear this. Buyers are very much interested to buy at these levels. Okay, means buyers are increasing every day. Okay, but sellers only active at these levels. Okay, once it had a break at these levels, we can expect a good bullish moves. Okay, wait for tomorrow market open. If it is opened bullish, I mean positive note, we will sit for buying side for the Nifty. If it comes to Bank Nifty, the levels for tomorrow Bank Nifty is, I already explained, this is the resistance area and support area will be these levels. Okay, this is the levels for tomorrow. Just observe where it had open, either bullish or bearish. Okay, or else if it is open flat, wait for the price action moment. And if it comes to Bank Nifty, if it comes to 15-minute time frame, I can see there is a symmetric triangle format. Okay, here I am expecting here you can see we had drawn the trend line the previous levels like this. We are discussing about this as a retracement. This is after the break, it is just a retracement. Okay, like this. If it is given the break, if it is given the break for bullish side, like here, we can expect up to these levels. Which levels? This is the resistance level here. These are the resistance levels for if this breaks these levels. The level is 218, around 21850, 840. Okay, 21850. Okay, these are the resistance levels for Bank Nifty. And if you see supporting levels, this trend line act as a supporting level. Okay, whenever the market is moving upside, giving upside momentum, if market is moving upside like this, we have to keep trailing our stop losses, I mean support levels. If you are trading in these levels, we have to trail the stop losses if market is crossing these resistance levels. Okay, for tomorrow Bank Nifty levels is, resistance levels are 21850 and supporting levels around 21590. You can take 21530. Okay, these are the support levels and these are the 2150. These are the resistance level. Wait for the break where it is opening. We have to we can decide after the market opens. Okay, depends upon price movement. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like the video, hit a like button and don't forget to subscribe if you are a new visitor.